Hello, my dear friends. I just want to teach about storage and memory. It is actually, computer concept, and I want to teach about how it will be look like storage and memory. So storage means it nothing but provides capacity for all the files and informations you need to say capacity of the computer of hard disk. Memory means it provides your working space and the amount of RAM installed in the computers. Basically, this is the overview concept of memory. I want to tell primary means you just know about primary memory means what storage and intermediate data necessary. To run the computer like RAM and cache. And secondary means it is called long-term storage of data, that is called hard disk. Territory is one device is there that will be know about CD, DVD, memory card like that. And offline means disconnect storage, off-locked USB flash drive, and eternal hard disk. Memory means basically it is computing memory refers to the physical devices used to store programs or data on the temporary or permanent basis for use in a computer or other digital electronic device. Main memory is divided in two types. Random access memory should be better known as read-write memory, read-only memory, that is called ROM. And you just know what is called structure of random access memory. A set of memory chips, each of them is an integrated circuit is made of millions of transistors and capacitors. Volatile means their state is lost or reset when power is removed from the system. What is called OSIS holds data application programs from input devices or storages. And capacity means it is nothing but determines the number and size of the program can be run at the same time, as well as the amount of data that can be processed immediately. Then what is called BOS? BOS means it is processing speed. Then I just tell about what is called RAM. RAM means there are two types, static RAM and dynamic RAM. So you want to know what is the basic difference between static RAM and dynamic RAM. So static RAM means it is called semiconductor memory is the first point of static RAM. Dynamic RAM means store each bit of memory in capacitor or in an integrated circuit. And second point of static RAM use flip-flop to store each bit of memory, so does not need to be periodically refreshed. And real capacitors, that is called dynamic RAM, real capacitors leak charge, so capacitors need to be refreshed periodically. Third point of static RAM, expensive and have complex structure, 6 transistors, so not used in high capacity applications. Simple structure of dynamic, simple structure of one transistor and one capacitor per bit. So it has very high density. So you just know about on read-only memory. Just I completed. That is called what is called RAM and types of RAM. Everything you have to clearly I discussed. Then I'll go to the read-only memory. Read-only memory means you just know about the what is the read-only memory, what is the work of read-only memory, how it will work in computer basically. First point has contents which are fixed when the chip is manufactured, holds the bootstrap loader part of the operating system, retains its data when the computer is switched off. Then I just know that called types of ROM. Programmable read-only memory, that is short from PROM. And empty of data when the chip is manufactured can be programmed by the user. Once programmed, the data cannot be erased. Erasable, that is PROM, EPROM, like PROM only the chip can be removed from the computer and the program erased and other stored in its place using ultraviolet light. Electrical EPROM. The like EPROM but electrically used to erase and programs. So then I'll go for the cache memory. Cache memory means that is called faster and expensive than RAM. Next is the improves the computer's performance. Next is the processor can use it to store frequently accessed data and program instructions. It is two types of caches. That is primary cache and second cache. Basically you start from like L1, L2. L1 means primary cache inside the processor. L2 is the secondary cache in the motherboard or near the microprocessor. Then next is called storage. Storage means any device that are capable of holding information even when the power is off, that is called non-volatile. For example, floppy disk drive, hard disk drive and USB flash drive. Offline storage, type of storage that can be removed and can be accessed from any computers when connected. Types of storage device like optical storage device, magnetic storage devices, flash memory devices. Optical storage device and different I don't show that figures, you know better. Of disk it will be require the capacity 700 MB available from 982. DVD's capacity 4.7 GB and available from 1995, and it's called Blu-ray disc capacity 25 GB and available from 2006. Then I'll go to the next slide, that is called optical storage device. Advantage is what is the advantage of optical storage device? First point of small and portable and cheap to produce large market or music, movies and games, and most desktop computers or laptops are equipped and with the CD, DVD, Blu-ray drive like that. What is called disadvantage? Fragile, easy to get, cached, slower data transferring rate, required specified drives to write data to the disk, limited number of writes. Next is called magnetic storage device, floppy disks. First available in 1971, capacity 1.44 MB. That is called 3.5 inch floppy disk. What is called discontinued? It is called discontinued, and since 2010, no motherboard is still manufactured with the support of floppy disk drive. Then magnetic storage device, hard disk, first introduced in 1956, became dominant in the 1960s. Capacity keeps increasing, maximum capacity 4 terabyte. As of 2013, continuously improved. It is continuously improved, you know better, and maintained as important positions of modern servers and PCs. Then what is called advantage and disadvantage of magnetic storage device? That first we will going to discuss what is called advantages. Large and increasing capacity, high transferring speed, no data loss when power is off, non-volatile, cheap price compared to other storage media cost per MB. Disadvantage, possible damages and data loss due to hack crash. Because of working of mechanism basis, it will be eventually broken. In case of an internal hard drive, it is not easy to transfer to another computer, high power consumption like. What is called flash memory device? USB flash drive commercially available in 2000, maximum capacity 1 terabyte as of 2013, small size ideal and solutions of storing small data. Flash memory devices, solid state drive, SSD first introduced 1995, maximum capacity 1 terabyte as 2013, very high transferring speed in comparison of normal physical hard disks. What is called flash memory device? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Large increasing capacity, then high transferring speed, small size portability, then it is called uses low power consumption, work more quietly than physical hard drive, and it's just no disadvantage, high price compared to hard disk cost per MB, limited number of reads, writes, and writings is to lose because of small size. Thank you.